moto pete na duru 106.1 and then say we bron champion do akwana hinkru techimanya sompa na nkura bata ewo ho etoko ba bia mankasim sa frequency krona so eno ye frɛ na kingdom wato pete wo mfimfiri mantamu 106.1 ebia na wo bono ahinkru no esunyane alaji be kwa na abro sanum ne wo night market ho a na poku psa fa asemche manager ebi wa no mabobo ano na efiri sunyane no transmitia kokodura hafo abra bibia nsom uchi moto ho a unya ne live decoder no so ya wo so baby fm stations no won won sabe kan na kene shebe radio nso won say kan wo so information centers ne de wo ebro den chem fifiri ni nyina da wo mo fa bi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra St Augustine de ekoho ensem ni nyina akwa benya bi ahwe na wanya bi nso asa kenkan wo ni so na wo cha ma onua anya bi SOMPA FM live YouTube na www.sompaonline.com yira tabwati achichiri ni nyina akwa akoto o atoya fama 101.1 SOMPA takwa obapa na yaka achiri ene dom no eto edi apete triple mai ajapi APAM DADAA ene mede anwumre ensem no yiwasom na efeji akonwa tena so na yentutu ne sire ne nabasa emfa mawo na ye sha ase de a ene ba bia ene ye do ne ya tere mu no eye sesi enkomo a edida emframam efa petrol ntumu a adekye ya ebobo aba na ne se beto adwa kura no wono ma edisi kadwa kura bia sha ase a wo mo de santo so no etototo wo mo ne maso enam so ama ebinumu send message a kire se free osana ne da etoso be se miensa no wo mo charges nyina wo mo pagem enti san pagem yi beba kane no na yenya te se yesi atose kan mu cement yatum bribia se yatum na petrol ntumu no ena de no aba na wo sa asemi ho no abusu yi enya de yebetimi aka na eja abreko a wono ma bemben ewo sa petrol nsa homahu ye ne wo mo ni nkomo na Chamber of Petroleum Consumers ene etwa wontia fra wo moko pek no eho na yewra dankana mo a wodi ne djuma se executive director wo sankomo ya ho wo de beto so se petrol ntumu na ebobo ba sese na sabi eduba bia na yede kwa kwahye so aban na ahwe a wo baboabo no ho kura no wape bibidi aba be kushin wuni se wo kwa akofa niema na ode behwe sa aban beti bibia tum ama emu aye mre kakra ene ka yifiri wutiri mu kura na nya de betimi aba se sanse ne aba nya aban na ayo eno no eye America Iran ene Israel fo eka wo mo etiri pam ho esesa wo mo ntokwa aboabo aso no ene na de sa ntumo ni nyina ba ama ehon fifiri na aba beka wiase nyina na wo saadi hu na wo bobo so no ebi mo nso ka na foforo e de kyerɛkyerɛ na unim sɛdeɛ yakasa de wa modanta no wo no ene hunu baabi a ne tokwan wayi di ato no Chamber of Petroleum Consumers etwa onti afra wo moko pekefo yewra dankana mo a ene de beto so se adwumefo no hwe na wo mo amfa bibia meto wo mo niema wo mo akra na boden so se bia ban besom esan se petrol ntumu no emfira ban ho na efiri international de indicators a wo mo hwe petatakram edi hunu ena afa yen so a ye wo akire sesei no de wo se ye aboso a betimi abo edi ehia sa ntumu ya ebe no me enko ne ye ne yewra sanse na de wono ena eba hwehwemu okopeke wa woye enti de ebe ya ma ye ho be ho hanye no wo mu nanim mero ate anka anwumre SOMPA hot bite kase ni o ye mo adwo mo akwa aba na kopek mabobo ano ehoboko de
boko na mo so
nyame ehu ye mobo petrol ntumu a ebobo be ya na akwakwa ye dadwena ye hunu ba bia ye de asam no akwakofa nti ye pese ba mo nchen ne ye beje enkyiremu adeche de a eno nso bobo ba ma ebirum kura asase atoto wo mo niema so yi eno no yewura amu ase emfira ban na efiri international sa mo kire mu sa kopek mo amu be ma yen Ghana fo ate ase no se na mbesi a kire ma kire yen
manicha aye otefo ni na ekase aye ohwe aye petu entu ewo menu ma se ana se de so a ebu o menu amiensa ana edina so a ye betu ye di kan ye aye ye pese aye FOB price na international market price because how the cut found no de ba no nti ko a ebu a de ba du ho no ko ba no ahwe e dia o so pare ko o de no mele gumu ko ye price to insurance active risk and net account ba na o so ko bi ye ba di na de ana sɛ campaign nam sɛ yɛkɔsɛ na mono nti no yɛkɔ no na yɛ YouTube to hɔ ɛyɛ dollars yɛ gye no hɔ no nti sɛ ɔfisa ade akɔ ɛyɛ fidi na kɔ dollar sɛn na wobɛtua na kasa na wabɔ wɔ ho ɛno no so bia yɛhwehwɛ mu hɔ no ɛna de sɛ so nyɛ sɛ yɛ ɛtoa hodoɔ a ɛgu ti no ɛno ɛna ɛma ɛyɛ ɛhwɛ sɛ ebi a ɛtoa no sɛn na kɔ aban hɔ no na aban ɔde bi bɛ na agu so anaasɛ deɛ ɔso no wobɛtumi gye tutua ne ho tena nyɛ hae na ɛgyama nso boɔ no deɛ daa ne na mmiɛnsa a wobɛsu nyinaa no mmienu pɛ na ban wɔtutui ɛyɛ yɛnka tv na kɔ dollar no rate no sɛ aban retumi bobɔ ɛtiri no yie na ɔnya stable exchange rate sɛ deɛ na sɛ yɛhunu sɛ yɛsei no yɛtotɔ between 10 and 12 ɛti sɛ woyɛ business kana sɛ woyɛ ɔkasa bi no a wɔka bi a ɛbi a on average 10 and 12 no bi a 11 ɛna ɛbɛna wode ayɛ ɛna gyina ho ase ɛna ɛto ahodoɔ nso no egu so na aban yɛ yɛrɛ so ba ɛgyama nso bɔ no deɛ ɛnyɛ aban na ɛkyerɛ how a ɛbɛsi agye hɔ no ɛkɔ bi international geopolitics na geopolitics yɛtumi yɛ ntɔkwa ɛtumi sɛ ɛbi a adanfo ne kuro yɛ ɛdisi no ɛdikade a no nso na wɔfa agopame ntɔn bode sɔpɔto sɛ bɛyɛ a wobɛgya no adisi ɛne nneɛma bebree hɔ no ma ɛkɔ so na yɛnnyɛ nim sɛ ntɔkwa ɛkɔ so between US ɛne Iran no ntɔkwa no ɛtotwae ama mo na so kuwa after the family $50 $70 ama e kwete so ase yehu ya se afam ne bi na asa ke nkora ti bi ama e de no yes to for mo so na after ho na di tu ahye no ye afam ta ko ho ana na trump bi o taban se tibu bi o so ke bo no na ma wu e de o ba na ma so da ko ri bi so a mo wo so a e bi ma tobi bombe motivia no e ba tini na net e ku no so ya so akamo mo na e bi wi a e ba de to aye fa no e do ma so bo no no na ta ko ma e bi no ko because na ka ko fa ba ka 30% no e ya de an kan ho na e say na nse e fa ko ti to bia ba ani to kwali di ko ka na e ko ti e 30% no no na ma e bo na ka ti de mu a e ko ke
yewrade obebusa sɛ kane no ananka petrol no yentu bi na yenni bie na sɛ yɛka sɛ amana ne boɔ no na determine nyinaa ne yehunu na Ghana yenso petrol ne yetubi to nso timi na so na okura essential oil wɔde mo nso kura san dada bi so gye na esi yenkwan a ɛma yentimi nkushin yɛ ho yɛ de mu ama ne yɛ de ense ya stela amana ne de na yɛtwa yensusu de ade ato ho
adeɛ baako a abɛsɛ mmienu wɔ hɔ yɛ sɛ mini sɛ ebi a ɛyɛ obi na ayɛ de kana to deɛ a sɛ bia no fango a yɛhyɛ mmamu no yɛkra si ɛyɛ cities mmiɛnsa ɛyɛ ida sɛ Antioch Rotterdam anaasɛ ɛyɛ a ne nyinaa Belgium ɛne ɛyɛ Holland ɛhɔ ne yɛkra de ba na yɛkɔkra so a yɛkra de sɛ ɛyɛ British product British product ne sɛ fango no
yɛnane awie
yɛtɔ de aba
okay
na yɛn sɛ ɔyɛ funny for 2018 2019 a ɛsɛyɛ no and then you must be more last year 2025 and under years of combat a year very powerful young now by with three a man a year demand a year demand you know I was me said some woman you have no another school you two women have but a minute this Anton Kotopi 8 year and after or the Kotopia one on another back the very important and I don't know how to say their man so not to real for OM is not a eti sema ara na year ma be but aban money money until earlier this month and last month and aban was said here Ghana farm on the day two I come on the could do for na come it is said as a police aban to the say your farm way from them na ma send you already fund 1 million barrels na 100 na mama so aye 1 million barrels no kwa na ate ko de ko no so yet me na cruise na and you na petrol diesel aviation people kerosene ya account na bombe bi amaye na yana no wase nti afuna ba ni ta ba last month or month 1 million and this month so there so my last is so but the top of the amount nti ya say ye dey amount so te na da ni ayi ama na ye bia next month economy. To be get me to be a 70% of farm work where you have India. Yeah, because because 40,000 barrels per day. And I consume 5,000 barrels per day. You can really go 85. Our announcement, over here, 120,000 a year per day, but a year. One of the but it's a multi-year part in the year. That is 100% return to that was the other country. A drama, because you two are your artists, you're running at your artists. Now, you're artists in Civica and you cannot one consulate.
Na chese bebe mumpa enye ni mwanimu ya yedi ehon ba beto so ene yewura ade de wode be kire yen ama yebetimi akushin yen ho na ne ebe yetimi asom
ebetimi abo when the so de no ade tempo de no dia na ho be a month or two ebia ebetimi aka aye juma wa ha another offense is so ebetimi issue is the dia o de ka to free Belgium in Holland
mo
it's a young person come down to say the family.
Okay.
Down to the family on the no you should be there with collide and to go by to be down to say family because they say economy will be a solution down to say family. So I don't know the export of economy. I can to a double it is a topic down to say family. I yes, good for you no. That 20% na year no, I don't know because that is Nigeria found community and what it and what money. Okay. Very funny. 600,000 dollars a day. It is a community contract that after this pro. It is also a bagada. And now Nigeria to Ghana and production economy one. I yes can return to bottom. Okay. Some are next coming another bottom. Let's not go under a border fellow coming. I had 2 months of tour nurses, in a year. Last year, we said, I had to Nigeria, with that
Mirade, ye jau no mwako. Na ye drafo a ye no wo Ghana hai. Sempo ye ka se ye kwa koto de ewo tema ha ya mfikire akora na de aba. Bo a wo mo de beto so no. E chen se ye be kwa kofa na homo so ho. Adrawa for the passenger for say ye be sha se aba abeko. Wafutu ade be mayen emu passenger for na adrawa for. Kwa ya be fa so ye be kutakuta no. Kopem se de ya wa boss wo gu yasom yi ye betimi aduru ho.
Adrawa for especially adrawa for ako income create for no. Omo di ani no this time dia aya omo topic. Every other problem personal is fine. So what you people to see that someone to show also any spare part any other factors. Over can them so don't be
no correct.
But you people to my any spare part I just say not after the you get here to a transport facility. Even where you can also yes you should have 2-3 times. Like a man don't watch about the transport and we be what about only after say is it every time a man in for me, political parties, you know, so and this idea, the woman, sorry, but the after a woman, and no man after every time they are beginning. The whole contract, and then what is why you know, too bad, and it's together because we can church have. I could to my if you now to my wife, will go back. But to the house, let the program and I did the local one but you're 2 million. I'm too fast to walk into 2% me. I don't know if now I'm not no they are.
Afe yen passenger for ye no wo mo kwa kwatwetwe.
Yeah, DPLC, the mother body. And I do consent that the 2 million more than
no correct.
And that's the 2% among a council police. No much, no much percentage of the home. As that's the year number, I say, I took a year council person. I want to say, once a woman accident of so many military from the two. and the person that they are seeing. It's the academic and the act would be up to the co-op and I can't learn after one. It could be a or cut out a corner of the person who can't get that money. I pay prayer like that, to management. If you never get one after Carane, one after I talk about 1 year, I want to be a young cat. Not a bad year, because a corner that is money. Not to cut the password. I don't think I say, and I'm going to come to the team with a now to a detail to move the passing the again, and the details for me. I hope to say a yes, maybe I could be a one to amount. That is actually the other. But I say that because of the community, I would say, yeah, because they are actually for the internet.
Mo, and you may, you're Samson a day. You better was a pan and comma, would be a film, and children so are the Amer for be a better chin yason. Brass Abri, ye be co pumping, and Hawker said, dear, one more Jina pumping, Hons obey a Hoidmano, and come be a bit free, a baby opening in his woman's abagenso. There was Semo and you may and Obre, you're Samson a day. One on our call Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, a Trinity Afro or Mukopeka. We Director of Research, Pricing and Monitoring. And to a born ebano. One more monitor who's a sad will be a DJ. And F.A. Nine children so crying you more one more and sana a born of a benino. Penny in the piano, O Copecua. What the candy akusuku. Actually, a passenger for there was here, your boss was here. Therefore, to my water was a munya. And there one may walk on Penosunian so crying to Monabano. Woman so quite was a woman fast or equitem. Now, do my bomber some fasono. Will be a yan chefa. Now will be a huankum, and quanku you bubulibu. Natures will be a yan young quan, will buno. Now, Yamanons was said your wall bob or sono. What just ansana way beba. Yana a shanka jumacuno, woman near Bancrecia. Eddie can't swear sergeant, a who baby a woman de tour. A bad boy's answer, woman. Ya woman to Mrs. here who bottom dear, woman you way be a free hair cockaswa. Dear own betty me a jewel, and now free Hana walk secret. There's a woman dear. And the two baby are now woman cassa. Woko Amasama barrier straight. A tank no one. One more to me boots uncontent, one more dear, one mahuno. Na uncontent is a woman was a sunny pa, one more at one cano. Just a true drivers union, one more day, one more sincere money basis, a can't true no de chero, one more herby, and a woman here uncle, one more true no. You're a bema, and a woman casamafo. I could out and can, some power biting you. And you may so Petro home come ya Yamwajo Aquaba.
Yo, Babana in Chow no achieve for you now.
Eh, na, you're a bema, boy, young Mayana. Yatino who said Yaman Mobile Tosso Bears 30% in no crabby wombsa.
Yo, Medasi, Sir, we share a year commercial transport to free cash. Go for your choice. Na, ye dear Ramu GPRT for no. Ye can say, stay, a buy no, and your washia, and a more if you can ye. Pacho, and that the be Asia ministry, no. Ama, ye de are 2 men, send ye die, ye no, no, say. A bassa fango bo cosro. Ye, ya drive upon the interest in Tinia. Na, ye de are caught to a buying a name. Ye tear the cotton and Nimuna, buying to Jinamatima Mufono. Sir, a son so tear, a buy fraying, Tiamra. Na, or don't swear Jinamatima Mufono. Na, a drama for penny for Jinama drama for no. Didn't you see a gano? The question in an say. A found me a doing Jatum. Sir Fango Buono. A cosro. Takra. Say your chair near Tamwatem. It's here a drama for quiet and say. And yet, 1 city dinner, none will be a soti yada, a binary pie, a chose and famano. Na, on fanso cania mayeno. And on share no needs are 1 city in 3 home. Tanya Sadia, baby, a dee, a catuna bro. Na, sir, your check is our canning in Adema, yan so your customers may try a passing up on. Anything
ministry no so ye ne say ono so ye somafo a o mampanyi na ama na tuma eti se ne de asem se aba betu nanimu a on tra so kora na yenso ye ma ne mreka kra bi no fa nkoto ne boss ya Ghana mampanyi ne anim na animanimu ya no yenhwempe ano puma sibre na mpa cha obedi she ta odi asem court na judge gitu mi sa asem no obedi a ya kwakundu kwa wachiri
Dabi
erinti ya fo bi de kese so aka kire Ghana fo nyina se ya dia ya husha fango bo no emu apagya kakra ana mo esi yetu e ma ya driver fo ho to mo no ya yetu aban so gina efa che ono so behwe ama na kwantufo ho ahin ha omo enti ya ye ne se ye kan amo akobo do suma no ma na dwuma amane no ya so ye power bedwakuo na bedwakuo no ministry na nkata emu ka ho bi adawa fo ka ho ni power individual ono so be gina ntemu na nsam na ye ka no etri dra ye to ahyentiabom ebe sinne fango bo no dia abeka ho no so dia driver for ne ye gina so to ahyentiabom ma ne ye yi a ba cha abedwako ni ba dia o bia no dia ba beto Ghana fo nyina ni
oh okay enti sade na nsusu ye ne tie no o mo anse de nti ho ankere se bia sei na eba abeka ho
se no ese ne die na yo ero na ban ne pa ebuo ni bi emene na se no do for na da on ye deregulation automatic adjustment formula eno kire se OMC ana BBC for ko amansan jato na fa ngo no ko soro a omo ni excuse bi aso omo bomba beto amaye because aban no emfa kanidi enti ye senkafo no nso no the eba ukodu filling station na ye musa political party awodomo
Dabi
Nemo husikane na OMC for ne he ntano ya wo se sika bia firi ye bottom akọ fango gedi bia ho na de nti e ka tira aban se onhwe no so nya ne ma kakra no onhwe world fuel prices no enya aban na determine
Dabi
Nemo tax ni de aban na de to so edisa akonsoro amansan jaso ni e wo entohwe bi e wetimi afamu apia yenso e betimu abati se yenya ne taa sa fango no ba less than a year baby kura na less than 10 cedi me chef petrol no na diesel no 11 to 12 and omo ye say and omo so streye no omo de 1 Ghana cedi bi aka ho no omo kire say koba say ye guso edi dwa no bibi sa e wa manse dwa so no say fango bo no kosoro a omo say you want cedi na furo don komo na nanu bi e na omo di yi o
okay
enti na say e kai omo wo no mo so ena yewra transport minister na retina gem
okay
aja tum se nsam na ya beka no ono so agina mu matima mu fo no o gina mu so aban na ma no tumi na oti ba bi oti nti ono so de kwa ko to so ni bi se nsam mienu we na adawa fo abeka se ada so mbehwe na yayi tax ne e de free ho ana se ye be si agya na ya bubu nkonta se ne ya pawa bejakuo no ne de kakra ka ho a se mu nyina so wudi adanse se fango no bo kosoro me bo
no kre
enti anamo ya papo a ya de etum ana se ya de teso no sa na mo na ne ya sha pe no enti ya besre ise no ni ko me bre o mu join union bia o mu no mu se ye din no
wa afo no
ai
okay
na yeah, can't be because me kasa okro we mu a ebi mu se anu ade ba no kwa na wo no ne yaka but so se se ya di bone a when ya ko na ma ne nya Ghana police service
ai
oba so no na san kofo na omo ye wawa no wo si gina ho no mu lodu omo wi a no ma ti bia ma posi sana tie omo no omo na edi se dwa no omo card no so most aye post for there When you say road traffic regulation like 2180 no. Regulation 117 no. Yes, he and told you a car crime. But your car center. And Madu do a man, so you want to traffic. What is supposed for you, Munsua? Ah. You mean I make come on, please do a good Accra Central Police Station. Oh, more coffee and quadruple crate, ever saw Munsio. And you went on committing action and so Jack Aquarium.
Hey, of a yow. And when we are moving more my year.
Papa, Obin called the Cobanta, young Yakao.
No correct.
And then Papa, come on, oh, I'm going on board seat mother. At the end, I to crow wemu. Young man, yet your mamma, Opian and Baby Obiate. Eh? And the idea, you have a car to my muponing in our say, you say a car canyana. And use electricity. More mobile car to electricity, one. Young consumer pay to the Mungotiaka, no ministers can see us.
Okay.
I only find a camera, Canada easy.
Aye, Nanny Pana Hesso.
And decided panel, ya down so uncle. Then Momo Cotofuela, some papa 1 year bonnet, yes, also 1 liter beer, Cotia 1 city, but I pay.
And shut down your face out.
Maybe indeed, on mine, this is the time where you have been setting Ghana. She can't show the bottom. Young people, but he said, your boy can one in Pierre.
Nay, and Quaji.
Me and Quaji says, Cano.
Okay.
Oh. Because me and that Ufri the Coba Commander Bank Client. Vast BG 180, a BG 200. But oh, you got 20% here. 200, no, not just almost 240 or something like you.
Aye.
Now with a 40 cities pass with the top road. China, you know, 15 days with the 5 cities also in Yamian. Say 10 they are 9 o'clock, 20 they are Cassia Palmy. Put me the call at the command, Janya, Colon also, Abuaquaba. So, and so fast you can't show me both Toma, Yajana, and the Sunny Pan and Namwa. Yen, you know, the enemy said, Nippani appointed more what in us Abia. And Waboka to 1 year say, Yan Tofu and Kutia says, Can. As somewhere can we?
A jail. Sadia was your body, she a chrono way nipa. Now, watch them as a minor city memo for a name. And so to Muya Benina, no, Yantimum for Yesu. And says, yeah, I'm one of the Casa was all Cobonura Maniano. Yeah, Yanem Mano. I am funny, young Sunfa, no one we are mobile, and have some number for Nadia Mokain. A bin swab among my pretrium.
I mean, I make good swab no time because maybe come and call Macumadai. Now, man, drive your car, Messa Bass, and Yamidia, make you never.
Wait here.
And then I am Casa, Saitano. Baby, a crochet, young Quani and Quaji. Tell me a tina, Robinson or Shahono, and quiet her beam. Me a China say, Yacha Magana for, then Chimpanophobia for a Chaco Pacho, Yan ah, now Pacho. As some way past Trump party, no Paquete, your more positioner. You don't want to react. Let him find 1 inch. Now, Pacho, you decided to throw my baby.
Debbie.
What up with me for embassy? Me work out you or our US embassy. Yeah, my vista. Me work out work up with you.
Okay.
Papa, number 1 when you be a center, like a hop, never.
Even Kurako Asalam or Canada.
Dabi me kwa me nyata, me ko yata kire se. Let me atena krom ho because me call me we say who could driving. Unim painting. Unim plumbing. Child juma me and sana na we mechanic. Let me atena o anka uni be pakwa bet na wo am wani age.
Okay.
We. And so nyame nim de nti o wo me akomada ni o nim de nti o de me to Ghana. Emra ah, mudi ye adwuma wo mu krom ho no na abo wo a ene o tra ho a utimu se we save free Boston, Massachusetts, Philadelphia, e bi ene Croatia for bo no 8 hours in my police barrier wo ba bia
adan o mu nyina di mra so nti ana
8 good hours police barrier ni ba bia na mom say ha ko 100 kilometer per hour over 110 unru na o court date ne o charge egu phone so
yeah no abra ye nimu ne yere ne hunu sa
o de akwai saka no enye obi na register ma
ai
edu o go register car o mfa wo telephone number ne wa yin ko ebi so obi ka kwa na wo akwaje na wuki a saka no ye nim ni wura
okay
enti wo so twen ne be ko ona je di se bus ya yetina mu e wo Boston e di ba baby a na ye wo selling about 2 hours driving no obi bo driver beti so obejo nso driver ni se ye nu rest stop wo nyina se Ghana ni ni yi ni tebi ajo nso go back ni me na me ka kire wo me na ta chi ado na me dance ni
any of ya say wo de no toto ho pa de ase ha ye wo chiri ana
Gabi na me na me ka kire na ka so pa se ya chi obi se yesu se o mai sika wo ni ntem na ya ye dede nipa no nso ye twita ni fie ba da ke osum na wo akwa gina wo se wo kwe dede amade yesu se wo sika ese ya de ye akoma dai ekọ ya kare se san so kwan e de ma unya ho mfaso no na wo akọbọ chenku what kind of women we are so je uki ho a won ti ase enti de ya nkodi pa maybe they just 14 days 2 weeks kwamandu na ba sa ba me kurum le ma me dokro no no wa akoma dan
okay
ntozi na me dok ehia maniwu because enoa na ede yake tronum ye ni ya ye ba chechire ya man
esan se wo mo de no saa na wo mo ye man ye yi
saa na wo mo ye no
okay
ama ye emra da ena China kunu so pa ban sikadia China for handle no yakun kwa enti bo wa ko fa ban sika
there be
bo enti saa wa Ghana city no this is the time we nyina mo fama no ntumbi na ni pakro no bo ka to ho no ye wo kwa we mu na mo ka te se PDS abebu yan abai ba wa zo bi abo PDS to be da
there be o
na nti mo ka kire na nya no kure so and then who na wo kwa tra wa ye bo chenku aye yi no ye to case kan mi si aye a e bia ono on fo trotro ni bi o na ya boda rose bridge enya ta no ma wo ma
obetimi afa so
bridge to the carrier su
there be otu fa so
the gold enti media ya mi ni say ya to aba wi ya wie ya ka ne ya Ghana flag na na ese nyina ya ma ya ni ko apam ana ya ne o makọ ya dia ne say ya to aba ma o dia ne say obediliba eni nti mu me nyina ya mo mutuja na one Ghana city no ni pakro boss aka na to ho no ye nyini mpie ni ye nyin free yeso
ofa yawo anwumre ye de wase pa ne nkomo ade abo na mom ene se wo moko dan krukru makodi ho nkomo akobo owura amane no ye nso esu na wasu bi agu asom no ye bekoso asu se de be na wono betie na agya de mo hwehwe ebebe mu ama ye nyina nso ye ho be henhan yen anwumre ye de wase na obre
yo madam Kubako oya ba sare le yopi kajebi oti kuredi
kajebi o kan wajebi
ndiyan kanyabi
mo ofa ya be ma na ye customer for Edma True Drivers Union wono na ni ye di nkomo abobo nsem no so a kire de e wase a o cho se America no kura na ye kobo bo na anu ye ko biu sanka anya hwe obetumi akwaje obese kai ba konkura ye se o bon nkakra akra kwapemse enema betoto ye binu mukura kwa siki asalam ewo Canada eche se die na esi se flood no se die na esi nti wo mo be enye ye hu wo mo mobo empe ba bi ma wo no nhye no nanso ni nyina nko na nkonkosie no waya ma ye abusua na ye wan wayo eno nti ena nwumre Joshua Kenke se bomoden se ubetimi atoto niema ni ye abrokan wo ye afiri wo so nikani kaka ene emu do konfetie ejakanom no wo yini nyina afiri so wabone trega na se disipe kan ho beje odie na ema wo do konton no enko kama mfama eyi abafie dwumadie bia ye bedidi ase no Joshua Kenke ne nam papa bi wo mo odome domino commercial bank ne chipe na wo mo butuo medima fo ba center Dr. Tam da so da no wo de time ato yen so wo kase so na yare bi e wo ho nso no okopoku ase mayira eyira bra wo de time oto so ana ebu akwa agogo wo de time oto so no wo agogo yade ni nhini ni nyina ama atu afiru ni paduam oda amanti enwumre kase no ne ntiremu ye do e de atirem benkwansa.
Yetua hot bites kasia bonoso enyumre e SOMPA 106.5 FM across so ede amamo yen hyase emfemfri omayi emrase bedwam na chiamehene eyeyera Alban Sumana Kingsford Bagbin wode atudwa kasetia ekwanya hodo ya awofo bi e wo man Ghana mu sese wo mane wo mma asetena mu nsam no wo kire se enkoye ne titru pa se enkoda nkumankuma ne asesa wo mafri Ghana ha se wo monkonko suade e wa manone wo se wo no no wo ntia se wo bi anya ne sika tam na wo se wo peso ne ba enya homasua papa ntete enti wo de ne kwa ne boy kwa abrochira kwa kosuade wo se wo no wo nya against na mom no se bi wo ha nkoda no wo mususa ebu a primary school ebu wo ha apa primary na feina yede wo mo eko se ye ma koda kro no kura na enya daje ne maame anana wofo ne ntena Ghana ha no wo mu hunu niam ahodo a eko so wo se ye no no eba sam pempi no ya na nkoda no wo makwakwaye ankonam wonim Ghana mamre wonte ye kasa wonim ye culture no se bia wo obefili kura se wo ye Ghana ni no saatenka no eni ho ne no so yade bia e hadwene ye papampo enkoda no wo mo enyinimu wo adwene no eno so e yade etade nsunso boni bebre ba awofo no mpepiri ya na wo montai enhu sankomo ya ye kan wode nsam we nyina etudwa ene wabra na wo mo airpower National Integrity Award Scheme ehun toma ewo DF Anan Auditorium ewo emrasebedefie ho ene wie ya na wode ne nsam tudwa wo so wo besere senke beye mpo a wode oba betu kwa akwa amanone amane wie senior high school nansa secondary school ne mani wie ansa na bia wako university bi e wa broche ana bibi etesa eno na eba okokora na obeba fie na nkodan ketenkete sa na yedom kobon so mani akwa ho sebe wo maame no te Ghana ha be sua de wa manone wonwene ho kora se nyame amfa chire kora da ma bi se wo free mu a eden pasa akoda kro no kora no wo befa plane se wo ba Ghana ha se ne maame ana na busuani bi afiri mu nti no wo ba be kata na chi wo sesa na mane nyina emwa nti awofo no muntu mo hofo.
And many of you who rush your children abroad to study, I beg you, you don't love your children because you know you are going to lose them. It's when they study here and get to a stage of maturity and they want to advance and they're going to do masters, PhD, and that kind of thing, then you have hope that they will come back. Those you carry as babies and send there, they don't even come to your funeral. It's true. They don't know you. They don't have any attachment. They don't like your country. There's no patriotism there. They don't know what is a family. Because over there, there's nothing like that. If there's something smelling in the house, they call the law enforcement with that, hey, there's some scent coming from this flat. They go there, and the carriers will pick the body, and that's the end. And you send them to go and be there. Please, I beg you, let's change our ways.
Chesa akwada kro no wonim hweu wonsu ya hwe se bia wo fi ono aka se fi a watim kura no wote se bia enke kakra bi free baabi so wo kwa kwahwese we bia den na asie e bia kra be kom kura no tafre bi na awuda baabi ana se bia kura bia dabi o ha no kwa kofre police fo wo kofre fire service je won so ne ho hwe wo se santete ne de emwa kura wo wieye en wo san edi tu dwa se emrasebedafo na aman wa adwene se mo besa contest bio no muni muhuni papa na se bia wo kwa akoye na ade sika fuafua eyi delegate fo so wo monto aba na constituent ne sa ne manema no wo se enya ade a wo no wo besoso so kura wo ka na asempasere ye na o manfo ne sresre ne ade anso wo kire se na ni bere sempa.
I'm not launching this for somebody to go and implement. We start implementing it here. And those of you who want to go and contest again, you better imbibe this. If not, before you go, the speaker has finished you at your constituency.
Enti wo MP krono wanye wadwuma yie pa de obekọ no na wonu speaker no kura no wa wie wo dada e wo constituency ho ya se wo dada wo ho because udwuma na bedi wachi nti so wanya adwuma no na wamfa nidie so anante na abaye ye de niema hodo be katakata so odi sika be puapu constituency so makoto abade amount dia wo so wo no speaker wa agenda ni nyina wo bese no enti na adwumadi e course so National Integrity Award Scheme wo DF Fanan Auditorium o mai mrashebedwafie ho na wo de sa ensami ekoto dwa ya mane boni na opon chichiku ena di we e bae
na wose adwumadi na ase na wo mai pani a wono na hwe atentene na ho nsam so yewura Paul Bafo Boni na wono so wo hobi na wo be che se enya duru amanyosem a sa vote buying no kwasem no edenkekan ye pa eka ye kamanka bi amamu no na no so sa bre na na opon chichiku gina ho no de ode ko okunetu anano a wo boss bi ni.
The honest politician may lose an election, but vote buying weakens democracy and ultimately impoverishes the very people whose votes we purchased. The cost of integrity is often paid by the individual. The cost of corruption is paid by all of us. That is why integrity remains indispensable. No nation has ever succeeded by rewarding dishonesty indefinitely. Sooner or later, every society discovers that trust is its greatest currency.
No correct. Emfa ho ene sade wa ho ofetie udibretie se wantumi amaye anye wani a ebetimi de ho ato so a oni mo nya nyina akora epepa yewura Paul Bafo Boni o my Chief Justice ene ka sa ansemi na was adwumade na sia ena kane Supreme Court judge so wona homegem Justice William Atuguba so kai 2012 pani yi ba bekasa no o jase no kwasem ni de friend se mudie integrity ya posifo ese wo mudwumadi a wo mudie no wo monsom ama wo mudie mu nti service with integrity no sa integrity ne hia se kandini bia udidi udwuma ante sa ebeduru baabi no wa hwe a wo kura no udi no e chense da ya sponge e de free system num.
We can say that integrity is beginning to have a hold in this country, as it is very sorry that it is being repealed from our national life. Today marks more than the unveiling of another national awards program. It signals a deliberate national effort to place integrity at the center of leadership, public service, business, civic engagement, and national development. A scheme of this stature, among other integrity-related interventions, should have been done long ago.
Was it any Ghana Integrity Initiative GII for Unkuna Ese Yeka Integrity Yabo Mudin? Enya prosi for service with integrity nko ene yeka integrity mudia e wose yebo ondi na mmom timamuni bia mframa wo mu na yekasa awote ne wote acha asefo asase so e wose okura omudi mu ye we Justice William Atuguba kan Supreme Court judge e wo dwumade nase ene wo bie so
yetu akasie bono so na yede wa kokotu nsemmom na Dr. Justice Trimsai wono na ya ban lawyer panyini abedi akire wade ato dwa se yera Benard Ntwebu asia ko adodo no afre no chairman wuntumi a woya asantemanta mu dwamtireni ema NPP amanyoko na asesi a wode afiase no wo mu kire mu se wonne Exim Bank case no a eda court na ye state no versus chairman wuntumi Exim Bank case no se de na lawyer for no ye se plea bargain no won be kobi nanka ene eduru ba bia na se bia sika wo mu gidi se abo man ne ka kwakodi chairman botom no wo benya bi na wasan dane sika na chi e de amo man no wo mu kire mu se si a court no ba bia nkomo no wo mu akwaduru wo sa plea bargain no mu no akwa akire pa etutum se ya ben ane santi we kura na Ghana for ka se nipa ni mu wo da afia se dada enti se musa ka se bia ye sentence no ana ye jeli no a utim so man ne kura bebo ka wo baabi enti se na lawyer for the plea bargain ba sika kakra wo mu nimu se wo mu dane akire de ma aban na ebetimi aboa ama se sika no kura de be ye niema bebre nko wo mu nyi sika ne mum wo mu njai sentence because nipa na kura no 20 years no wadamu dada enti ahia na ade koka ho bia ebeboro so ama ebeka se nipa na kura no wo kwa akodam afebo na se sia yesu yenim se Ghana ha no amanyosam no adidi awura baabi a bibia betimi asi se ne no wɔkyena na MPP fo aba aban mu en wo mo se saa case no wo mo san revise no a ene bibia betimi asi enti sa aban no ebenya sika bi afiri saa case no mo mu di a ene no no nkamfa so obenya abaso na ene court ena saa nsem we nyina ekopie ye na wo mo kyire mu ese ni new lawyer mranim ni foforo kura de ma first and third accused persons no Yera Samuel Atachia wo mo de akoto court nanim say officially no wabe take over a free lawyer and the appear could be ho enti sa Exim Bank case no kura say de kan na samra boy mining de no say we ye Exim Bank de enti ye two separate cases enti say wasan be take over wo we no emu a wo mo kire mu say sa asem no kura no wo mo atu ahyeda nya me yadoma bosumi ne de to so aduro no enson na che say wo chena hwe ye kura wo besan August mum na chese bosumi a ye ba besimi ni de to so aduonu nson na won besan atena asem no so na menhia South Mrashe bedwani na Naije bafo awu a wono so kyerɛkyerɛ mu ne enti kura wo mo ede Yera Samuel Atachia no ebe replace and the appear could be no say enye nipa ba ko gina ye eye amanyokuo no ankasa no wo mo netena se hwe se de cases ahodo na ekɔ ne se de no economy se da bi ese se Yera Samuel Atachia wo ba bedi case nanim na wo de kɔ ba bi ese se wo de continue nkyere mu a wo no so de ba ye after court sitting no yenkoti bi.
In respect of this matter, Mr. Samuel Atachia is leading, and then I'm assisting him together with other lawyers of the party. We're in court this morning, and the AG brought to the court's attention that the initial plea bargaining negotiations, which was commenced prior to the conviction in the other matter, couldn't continue or couldn't come to a conclusion because of the conviction and subsequently because of also the withdrawal of the lawyer in the matter.
We Mrashe bedwani a wogire mu de mo manfo wo manhia South abato mpeswa so na Naije bafo ewua lawyer se wono so eka legal team no honti ene won kopie mu wo court nsem no emu no after court sitting no ansem twofo ebopin no bisa de esiye wo dan mo ho emu nkyiremu ene wo de baaye no
afe abusua yentransem no se na no afofi mu kura ye de ba beto so mawo kire se South Africa mampani asoma wo manso afo baako lamola amo abaha bra ono ye se wo ba Ghana fo ye se wo mpena mampani kura ka kire se mo nha no homma na de ekoso e wo ne mamu xenophobic attack no wontimi nka ho asem papa bia ehwe se Ghana fo eho ebeto wo mo na owia san be ye se wo ba ha hwe kura na mama no wo mboafu no nom ne ho ade aka banku amanadi na wo sansemi ho no enkomo de obedi bi pa ene se no wo pa che onyina enkomo huhu bia na epiepie ya sese ja center no kura san de media no so ne se Ghana fo a ya evacuate wo mo no wo mo a na wo ho bia wo mu di dwumadi enti a wo mo pampa wo ne se abonefo sem na dodo na eho bom mu ena ye Europe kuja to abro kwa be che se be utan abo akwadu anu wayi ne America Ghana fo a wo ho a wo mo akwa evacuate wo mo ba obia ne ho a sabi bone akoso South Africa ne ho wom na nesema wade tusuni.
Many of which occurred in these confrontations, many of which occurred in busy commercial areas, are widely shared on social media, creating an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty. Some of the viral videos that were circulated, including those of a Ghanaian national, Mr. Emmanuel ADWOA ASARE, who was threatened and intimidated by members of the March and March group. His case attracted widespread attention in Ghana and across the African continent. Likewise, the videos and reports on traditional and social media that have shown many African migrants being subjected to harassment, intimidation, threats of violence, generating widespread concern among migrant communities and their families.
Enti we kura na ka ho ama Ghana fobi epeja asem no ko International Criminal Court a enam man lamola ba ha na ano asafi na wo muhu abeg no na ewie no wo se sa Ghana ni a enam so kura ma woti na nanam wo nse do e wo mpotem ho no se sie Bashir Isaac wono ma ye autopsy ya ayere so na wotwi mu eho ama ne bo nyina be pia wo mbebie so a kire Ghana fo
and commence close engagement with the relevant investigative authorities to monitor the progress of investigations. At the same time, the ministry maintained regular contact with Mr. Isaac's family, providing the necessary consular assistance, and with the family's consent, facilitated the repatriation of his mortal remains to Ghana before being conveyed to the 37 military hospital for an independent autopsy. This became necessary following the inability of both the High Commission and the family to obtain the official post-mortem report from the South African authorities. I must state for the record that the government of Ghana is still waiting for the autopsy report conducted by South African authorities.
Enti eba ne sa no wo ma ye autopsy apapa mu no aha de kropoti ekum no emfa ho no se obese na ye xenophobic attack no mu na efa so woti nananam wanse do enti ye twen Ghana ban se emuaye ebefiri mu aba no we do mo ntime mfa mpa yankwanta eno nso ho nsem nyina no obebie so e de akira de hye no
na wamo ne nsem no anso ho no ma wosana nsem ntam kwa be fontintan social media iso a wamo atete nsem ahodo bi yekoso se wenam sa abasabasa ye no ekoso wo South Africa ema Ghana de hye bi ho kwokire wamo ne se de enkomo na kwa besi sabre no wan sha sa visa waiver ensem agreement a wamo ne South Africa ban no ekoye se wa wo ye Ghana ni ubetimi atukwan akọ South Africa wabra wonhia visa bia no yetwam by now kra de eniema ablakwa on waiver no by now de eniema apaska kra eno no wokire mu se nokura bia nim na wombesre sensem no ya na edru mre bia ti sei no a ya montwen official communication a free Ministry of Foreign Affairs ho said de be ya bibini a wombetimi ehunu na womo anya santiase no a aban ne pese wokire no wokire mu se empempren ya yeda so kasai emfa ho ene de asie wo South Africa Ghana de hye nso ho akwakoka ewo mu no yade se yeda so kasai ubetimi atukwan free Ghana ha ko South Africa wabra wonhia visa bia na ehia ne se san hye ya hodo no a esese wo fam no wonkrata sam bibi kakra bi na waye ne nyina amano akọ enti wo abete saa ensem no nam social media no womo esre pa se wo bia embo saa ensem no entungu na nokure bia enim womo se ba kwantu ho nsem a ya na enioma no de ehu behia sa obeti ede free ministry no ho ankasa se de be ya nokura ewo mu bia no obetime hu no yentie
reports. I also wish to address reports that circulated on traditional and social media alleging that Ghana had been removed from South Africa's visa-free travel arrangement. As the South African authorities have themselves indicated, no such decision has been taken on this matter, which is governed by an agreement applicable on a reciprocal basis. The government, therefore, wishes to state categorically that the existing reciprocal visa waiver agreement between Ghana and South Africa remains fully in force. The public should therefore disregard reports suggesting that Ghanaian citizens have lost the benefit of visa-free travel to South Africa.
Wei ayeswafo wo hwe amanone dwumadie ensem so onumonyamfo Samuel Okujeto ablakwa.
Ene ebusua yewura Samuel Okujeto ablakwa de ye free ho a ma yenwura mu e se onyate ICU wanhwe abaka se hospital babia ato de edin pa ye de afidie si so na we industrial and commercial workers union wo mo na de wo mo krata akwa ma ban se wo mbesrada we de Voter Aluminium Company, their friend Savako no. Womo abontreni bi se kane se ye adwuma no e call from pana womo suhu wo makatu ansam kura ntinka mu binu keka mu a dodo na kura binu mayire mu jaja womo ahokire ntino pania na otua womo no enei wasanso aka no ho bio ne no na womo atworo krata yewura Morgan Ayawen wono ena ye womo general secretary omonsa hyase dendendende kwa koma Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama se wedi ada eto apentenya ene na yesu frɛ nananom wo mu so afrɛ ne se petition wedi wo mrem entesa ba bia duru no eduru adwo afa mpeto breme.
Allow when management and governing boards are mismanaging their enterprises, because when these enterprises collapse, it is the workers that suffer the most. So when you see things going wrong, don't sit aloof. Point it out and make sure. In the spirit of this commitment and in recognition of His Excellency's reputation as a listening president, we respectfully call upon him to intervene decisively to halt the proposed sale of Valco.
Wow, Caneno Sana, one penny no, Susu ya, say woman tongue, a baby, I'd not do any canet down, so one tongue, and Chessy Cannon, who baby, I'm better to your mocha, a baby, you know, na a Jumana cry. No, an edge phone say, wait a man penny team. Na say, Uncas on beton padia, and the na a mino, and the year tongue. And one more boss has suggested the actual home cratano. Dear was so mu, Tema Metropolitan Chief Executive, or pay be bright. Now, one also Nedia, what the tomb brown the petition no queen.
I want to thank the security forces for providing protection not only for you as citizens of Tema, but also for us and to ensure that this has taken place. So in good faith, we will send this message across, and I want to reassure you that this is a listening government and that no matter what, you must keep faith in the good intentions and the resolve to reset, not only reset the nation, but to ensure jobs.
Way bra, voter aluminum company, Edmund Fono, a boss who get to the say, one want to send to see you as a warm to Edmano. Now, one more time, so I had the Bebois or my Ghana and Cancro, and Timpenin Fontier. One more year, who is the Trocrata, Eddie Common Penino, Tema Metropolitan Chief Executive, or Baby Bright, and a so more, what is a Ocasachri.
Na ensemiya eho se Voter Aluminium Company eya Valco adwumako no se ye ton se ye nton ye se ba ya na manfo ahya se ye tenetire wo mo sa se ye Ibrahim Mahama na ye kwa akoto adwumako no mo se we yara we chese papa we die ye ntimi nya bibi wo Ghana hanom wa bra ye mu ni din se bia aban contract bi ana company bia ye ton ana bibi involve ska kese na chese Ibrahim Mahama enti ne special aid ne boafo sonko Rafik Mahama na esese wo be posti statement ne wo Facebook na wo magana fo nyine nya omho ntiase se Ibrahim Mahama nim Valco ho hwe wo se wono no adwuma no wo ye no sebe ni die wo ho se wo pese wo nya concession bi ana wo kokoto adwumakuo bi ana wo de ne sika koye investment bi wo company bi mu a wo be famra kwan so no wo maye enye patapa asem da bi ene enye by force wade agi enti wo bibiara wo de ne din enenam se Ibrahim Mahama na wo mo be dane Valco na ma no na wa manage no wo mo se wo mo sere mo ada no kure bi ani sansam no emu enti wo abeti bibia no wo mo emontungu Valco fo adwumayefo ene ICU fo na se wo mo ye kire wo mo ye kire no e de ho petition akoma Tema Meya waje asom aka se wo be kwa akodane akire de amoma mpani John Dramani Mahama na watu ho na mo enti wo be stress wo ma no nso ho no mo a wo mo mpese wo mbete wo ba bia se na Ibrahim Mahama din aba be pie mu wo sansem no wo mo se adaworo ma papa no wo ye na dwuma wo ma ni din na se de be ya obetimi anya na somdwe na dwuma wo ye no so watimi aye enti wei ene enkrata a efree eyeye Ibrahim Mahama so ya ne boafo sonko Rafik Mahama ede nensa atintimu ase na yenso yabo mama moyi
eno nsiabre mu kase bo de free no num mpai mu hot bite no eno ana egusu a ye be ma de medimafo eba center ekuramu no na sade empeninse ne de ya wodin ne yebo wono no wo mahu se ne sika ne betimi atototo ne ma etesa enti na wono mo ka na adehia wo mo wo dwira banso na wo mo nsusun se we de empenimfo mrem na kane galamse no edi wo mo ni papa ena sese enso kura wo so responsible cooperative money abai won beti a yesa ba ho bio na mpanimfo a wo ho se da bi eye de edi kan sie no enka ho a na mo eka ho a no nso no na wono mo sanso akase de galamse de abre adehye wo ho wo mo nsase ene wo mo asetenam no wo mo kase wo mo sanso so bio a enya de be yeye wo mo nsem ni.
Here's a case that the people of Trevor are calling that they don't want this veteran people to come to our area. It's rather very unfortunate, but we want to tell them, those who were engaged in that time, the chiefs, the people, the MCE, and to the government, to just follow the law as it has been repealed. We don't want any disturbances in the Karabanso area. What we are saying is that enough is enough. When we allow these people to come, they will degrade the land, rivers and everything will spoil, and we can't get access to the place because that is the only place that our forefathers gave it to us. We don't want these people to come here. They should stay away from our forest. They should stay away from our forest. 2026, better as a Sunday. Can you say LI 2462? No, Parliament revoke LI. Can you say forest there? We are into it. You say about Mred Oshembra, Mayajuma, Upenaboso, or CMB. Mama Pan into it. Abra Washembra say, the any decide.
Way, Adishabia, one more Jirabanso. Ena na womani abrede ndenden e ka kira ban se womo forest no ye su kese sa dem no obo ade na de ama womo na nanom abo ho ban e de abezi sa bre ya enchirima no e di fumfa pe wom ho nya ntem nti aye de aye no nanso de aka akire no wombe srada eye enough is enough.
Yeda so gina galamsey enkomo no emu na yede ukọ mpoho fiase Wamo chiremu ese illegal miners eye galamsey fuwe bi sesi ade wo hokora de petemu o wamo nsuro bia mine wo bia ehon wamo ye galamsey no police station ho ne bebia nsase a ensu aye ho ma wetlands ne ade ehon wamo ya manfo emfudie wamo mine obeko no obi atene banche pa ne adwiri banche ne nyina to agu no wamo de machines na kwesi asase no so womu tu gala womu chiremu se saade na ekoso na hadwene na galamsey fuo ne say womo no sabe police ni bia na 9 months wa na hwan ntimi ma meka nchire omo de omo nyi o because womo kra no womu tua weekly dues say e de mabambofo ne yesi na ade a galamsey a yesi yetu ase na yatimu task force no hwan na mutua dues no e de amom nti galamsey ya baako wone sompaka sie di nkomo chirechire mu de ekoso ewo mpoho
obi aya we se sadwuma na ekoso a eti omo ka so dipene eduma obeye o ehuska obiya no na odi betua eka no ya bagade for ba police for ba omo beje omo de anfo force beje omo de bae no na omo ton ha no mai ba na embi no be dikan aye eduma dada ena ya so abatu as ba yan me anfem bu ano omo beye eduma wa anu omo ba ebi akura ne bo de ba police ni obetuma a charge o sell for 5,000 bra wona can obi na okesi 2,000 go to amano sana obi soldiers for about more price police neighbor than the price over guarded than the price I am for the na I call say e do be break no no work otua
we wa show chese nim gwasesem sei Ghana sei beyeye o agi Kristo na when waka no chese police ni ba ono wone bo a wode nam eye soldier ni o wone price you brew water gas so send ye frɛ wo mu wo so wo mo price a wo mo je 5,000 no abone ne kan dia no o masate so galamsey o ene ye dia no 5,000 no ate so aba 2,000 Ghana cedis we nyina ya de bia e hadwene nti wo mo ye galamsey e wo mpoho no baako ene wa kire nsemu e de a kire no na farmers ni be akuafo na e wo honom so no wo mu kire mu se aw police fo yesrɛ mo wayi yesrɛ mo na ekwanya yede wo mo efa so a wani tua pa sesei so obi do wumfudi egu a wode emfidia betu gara ba akọ report asem na ma police ni a ye meche na nipa no kura no wo wa ba bedi ni price ano enti wo kuani na wo kwa akọ report wasem no enya de ebetie enti akuafo no wo masere se ebi authority bi wo ho e wo soro chen police ni military fo no a wo mo fo mo mra na fe kura de wo mabre
mba ha ma be no kokoni enti metwa mba ha 1 month enti 1 month be na me ba bi twa no mbe bo wa galamsey nsuo no abe fam kokoni na
e pay ni a mi na se ma yesa ma we da se wo abofra eduska ti de be se ma dia
wo ha dwene enti mpoho fiase eye akuafo ni bi ye wo ho ne yete wo mo kan kurakura mu na nanua ko a wotoso miensa wono na ye ohene owo mpoho fiase ho wɔde adesrɛdeɛ ato aban no animu sɛ wɔn a yɛate wɔn ne tissue pa ne 9 months of one sɛ 9 months of one deɛ wɔn sɛ wɔn no wɔn nsuro bia ɛna wɔn nso deɛ wɔn ɛba hɔ a sɛ ɔyɛ police ni o sɛ ɔyɛ soldier ni o sɛ ɔyɛ hwan yɛnya kyɛw sɛ ɔyɛ galamsey ni bia na ɔyɛ involved pɛ wɔn bɛkyerɛw enti wɔn ma 9 months of one ne mmara mpɔtam hɔ sɛ de bɛyɛ wɔn bɛtumi apam galamsey fo yi
mema asogyafoɔ te sɛ ɔbɛba bɛyɛ patrol wɔ ha na wɔapam sɛ nkurɔfoɔ no afi hɔ nti ɛnam so mama kɔbɔ regional police commander amanneɛ ne ɛnaefo nyinaa ma abɔ wɔn amanneɛ sɛ wɔmɛtu wɔn fi asase no so ma yɛnya ɛkwan yɛnkyekyere yɛ kuro
galamsey no ase yi kure sisiara sofia kɔfom bɛyɛ 3 miles koraa ɛsɛ wotɔ pure water na wɔde akɔ ɔne baako sisia me kora mɔhe aba company bi ama me no nsuo no kɔyi kɔbu so because of galamsey chemicals ne nti abere nyinaa ewu
awurade ayɛ adom na nsuo ɛntɔ nansɛn a nkontomi tena ha ɛnam sɛ subɔnten a ɛda hɔ no galamseyfoɔ ada bɛte ne nti wia flood esi nkran na nsuo kɛseɛ bi ɛda ha mutire na ɛda ha no ɛfi baabi a mokɔɛ no a saa nsuo no ɛdɛma bɛsene kɔbɔ pom ɛwɔ ha yɛa
yɛn saase bebree wase nyinaa firi ahemfofoɔ ne gyinsifoɔ na ɔbɛma kwan ma galamsey no ɔyɛ dɛ ɔkɔ so ɔyɛ maa yi
galamsey no yɛwɔ saase bebree wɔ ha a investment ɛtumi aba bɛhu nana nnuako boɔ the third yɛwɔ saase bebree wɔ ha a aban bɛ mu a wɛtumi ayɛ mpuntudwuma a youth no bɛnya bia because adwuma bi a ne ha
wei ɛyɛ nananuako a wɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa mpɔ hɔ fiase hene ɛna wote sɛ wɔde ne nsɛm ato dwa no
abusua yɛnsa nso nwura mu na wɔn sɛ wɔn mo kana no wɔn ba bɛka bɛwie sɛ flood no yɛ ɛba yɛ bi bank na nyinaa no saa galamsey yi n'ani no bi ka ho ɛna de aba na yesu wɔ ho no saa de hyɛ wɔn mo wɔ nkyidi akora esu sen yɛn titru ɛne bia yɛfrɛ sɛ akonkontiwam electoral area wɔ hɔ ɛna wɔn sɛ ɛhɔ nsuo no bi ɛyiri fa wɔn papaapa nti wɔ deɛ wɔn bɛsrada sɛ flood victims no yɛ kenkan wɔn mo wɔ nkran a ma yɛnyɛ sɛ nkran apo no danko na mmom wɔnkyi nso wɔn ho aka paa na wɔn nsɛm ni
yɛsrɛ wɔnkyi mpanyinfoɔ asrɛ ghana man sɛ infact gota na ɛda no ɛteteɛ ɛha yɛ sɛsie nsu kɛseɛ bi atɔ te sɛ deɛ ɛtɔ nkran no wɔ baabi a ntabuwa deɛ ɛbɛtwa fa nipa bebree na ɛde ha aba deɛ ɛbɛsere sɛ na ɛda wo ma sɛ mpanyinfoɔ bɛdi nnwuma ama yɛde a yɛsrɛ wɔn yɛsan srɛ wɔn bi yɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa mada wɔn ma mpanyinfoɔ ne bɛtuma mmoa obiara ntumi mmoa ka mpanyinfoɔ deɛ srɛ wɔn nkyi mpanyinfoɔ ɛnkoto ghana man nyinaa ɔmo mmoa yɛ na yɛkuta mu mfiri ɛnyɛ saa ɛdi nipa mmiɛnsa ɛkɔ ɛgya nipa nan kɔ ɛgya mmiɛnsa baako deɛ wafiri na deɛ bɛbɛ bie mu bia ne yɛ nya ne se yɛbɛsrɛ wɔn nkyɛn sɛ wɔn mada wɔn ɛne wɔn gya no ɔmo na ɛka bi yɛ wɔm so ɔmo nyinaa nkɔ ɔmo ti nsɛm
poncho no mu hɔ no ɛna nkɔmɔ efiri ba eti akontiwa electoral area wɔnkyɛ municipality ɛna wɔn bɔ saa amaneɛ ya wɔka kyerɛ ɔpam bɔ agyeman sɛ wei deɛ SOMPA kaseɛ mo na mo ka ya ma mpanin fa mo serious mo nka saa asɛm na wɔn hu sɛ ɛpo no eyiri nsuo eyiri de nsuo yiri ɛfa adehyɛ binom wɔ nkran no yɛn deɛ nyɛ akonkontiwa na eyiri o gɔta na eyiri fa yɛn nti mpaninfoɔ wɔn mmra yɛn sra bɛn mu
SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra so ni hot bite kaseɛ bɔno ɛna yɛda so a yɛkenkan ɛde ma ɔbɛka yɛn ho ɛwɔ Facebook no so sɛ wonya maaya SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra on Facebook wo like your page no na wagya wadwenkyerɛ no ɛde ato aseɛ ama yɛn kama yɛtoa kaseɛ bɔno so Professor Kwadwo Edinkra Apia wɔno na ɛyɛ Vice Chancellor ɛwɔ Sunyan Technical University na wɔde ato dwa sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ no mo ɛkɔ so wɔ technical schools mu wɔ Ghana ha ɛha dwene paa na nea yɛka ho asɛm yi ɛyɛ indiscipline sɛbe desuafoɔ dodoɔ no a wɔn ani nso adeɛ wohwɛ deɛ wɔn de yɛ wɔn akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ esu ne ban wɔ ba school a wɔnyɛ ne yɛsɛ sɛ wɔyɛ no abɛtena hɔ kasafin ɛne nneɛma bi ɛtete saa no wɔkyerɛm sɛ yadeɛ bi ɛha dwene paa wɔde nsɛm wɔ nyinaa ɛto dwa na yɛ media conference bi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ bono ɛna afei ahafomantam a Conference of Principals of Technical Institutions wɔn na de saa dwumadie yi ɛhyehyɛ so ɛwɔ abesim ya ɛno no ɛbɛn sunyan na saa dwumadie no ase ɛna wɔakyerɛ mu sɛ ehu benya se mpanifo a eda institutions no ano no wo mo ebehye ayire enhyehyɛ mu dankran sɛ de beya ebetimi aboa ama esu ne eban bi a ensem fata adesuafo mpempi wo mo da nadi ewo technical schools no ebetimi akofom kakra.
Yeah, tertiary institutions. Yes, problem I face it about indiscipline. Never possible and technical institutes, principals, conference, yeah, a lady one a address, focus on discipline and integrity and instructional, issues. Na can't eminently see say principals omo aso bi kese SSM omo peja omo na omo teacher for no nyasa na hye no omo kwa nkwala no etumi pick values abeboa nation building sense nyema bebre okwa also are very antisocial na nti na the campus no nti principal no a omo leader omo na ye show omo living example of virtues that to me and my teacher for no so pick the teacher for no pick omo so be boa na ipala no so pick nti na the ecosystem
Enwachi wobo aban no abaso se ene womonam technical ene vocational education training ya yefre no TVT asesa niema bebre ewo humasua ensemu amankoda no kora sesei dodo no a ekondo se wombeko sa schools no
so the American entertainment need so say aban kasa ni aba at 10:23 na aban ode die abwama TVET apaja say your TVET service to say Ghana Education Service na aboa yenya recognition amati jaman kwala so say e koso pa mo e doso e wo schools no na saade ye pe no pe say e bedru ba bi no na TVET students no kwa no doso chain grammar school san say omo ne e de omo chechire ma say de meka engineers ni ade so wanya sa nipa no bebri e wo man mu a man no ntumi chechire ma enti say yes say aban e ye no say aban ma na ni nkoso na enkoti na oma resources bebri emla say resources bahwa anu na ebama ya teacher for na to me akire balana de yi na ama omunya skills na omuba na say even say aban to me bi adwuma omu ankasa nkwala na abebi adwuma na omu antumi afa nkwala aka no so bi aka
eni ya yekotie yi eye professor Kwadwo Adinkra Apia wono na ye vice chancellor Emma Sunyai Technical University Amani Boni na najema no pambo ene di we by
ene ebusua yemfiri bono na afi yenwura mu asantema mu ba bedu nso di bia amane yen na eno de Honorable Collins osu amankwa kane mrase badwani ma adehia wonom wo nhye so constituency ena wokogina Honorable Stephen Amuasteka na mu bra na adehia wo mo wo fanchene bra MA Basic School wo Kumase womo ye speech and prize giving day ase na wokogina yaja wokasa edema Honorable Steka enum wo cha se wonom a eye edikamfo nei a womo kira de womo nkira nkoda ne yie sada be na womo nso daache wombe ba be ya kandifo papa na sankomoi ba bedu efa bi mai
is the most weapon to change this world. Eti ngomasia you say education is develop. Is ngomasia na ye mbumdu sawadia. Ngonya said ye and never year a year and giving day. Manchinebra MA so I share so no. Utaya so na say fine and I said yeah. My brand. You want to do sebi what shall say right say from your na asu ye kese da mine so asu ye kese da a year at the force so asu ye kese da a year awoso asu ye kese da ye community no any ye so say na ye be so a ye bra fine ye be so a ye to ye ho ase abasua na ye tina wo achi na ye mofra ne so no yes me ate de we be can say responsible citizens eti abaso board ye na me de be ma planning committee no say omoto omosare me say mesumi family munya me no achi akoyi
enti akoyi nyina no ana madam a won etua wo ma no say headmistress madam Lydia Apia Kubi enso ebe kan bi atoso na obe kire se wedu obe srada ankore enyumakuo wo ma ka bi ebam wo sika bon se prekese nom so wo ma asene sade be na abodenye yansape ensu yehunu no science technology afe borofo english ene nkontafie mathematics the friend STEM no wo mo adesua wo matimi ayo na wo mayo ne yie
sawa senyina sumobie ni achi ndibira masira yo yeduma yedi wa woni so ade a wehwe ye ngran modimbo omudo anchiri brangra omu ya ade bere nanso ye niema no etosi kakra etosi wo eniema yedi besua de ene awofo a ene sapates fonzes ombabua ye science ya ye woni ka se emenyimfo ye science wo sua science na se wo sa ngra ade numu a na se wo sua ne sa free word you more and until be here and near man getting learning materials would be suade na sa ni man na ye ma ye demonstration no chire amansanyi na ya posre enti ye beto ye nsane asre awofo even hospitals sa omo paradox no omo materials no omo de ye na omo fanya adwuma sese omo mamra banchire bra eme basic school ye beje na amangwa no ensa so much me suade abwa wa ye hia aro nyina mo a afia woran ye ningonwa angwa no betena so
we madam Lydia Apia Kubi one headmistress at the ma de share one more fan chibra eme basic school ya omo ye speech and prize giving day no enam so ma honorable Collins so so man kwa kasa wa sie abusua we ya ye kan nyina no just hot kinky dokuna ye de somo nkoda no ewo ase ebuo kuma bi o ewie na o matimi amanipa do na nya bi edi anwumre wokutaye mu ene ye somo wo na sade wo cha se adokotafo na ya asabia hodo wo mu mfidi a ye dada wo mfamra no wo mu nsu amedi mafo heba center one day the time kra to kase so anwumre wo kan ho yade bia e wo ho no poku ase mayira kono wo nyira no ana abu akwa agogo wongogo yade ema unya ayadesa wada amanti ye dan ye hutia wa ye ba ye be kwa manone
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo Heba Clinic Aba Accra. And you won't hear passengers a gumi kaimui. A Hana do one aircraw. Hey, and it's Accra and put them at the mo. And yet the Muampa, the said ye, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Abasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. You send me 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss connection and said down koye na esakakra to say what page mama hodiam bem connection ne wo ye about the crow stroke so de wo fa no small chese agidi wo wu ani de asie no yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so and so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kuma say owo agogo opposite government school no and nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so for Dr. 0244 774 282 and 0500-727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Wudima for Newa.
SOMPA TV, Emma Aketiapa.
market ya pampa ye kowie kase no tew e wa mano ne US mine mu e na ye de wo eko na wo mu kire mu se ye kase de US military service members no emu ahensia aduonu nwotwe aduonu nan mum 624 ya wo mu nyina ye military service members na wo mu apra pa e free se President Donald Trump wo order se wo mu enkotototo eniema entia Iran for February no no free February no mo besi sabre no military officers no 624 ena wo mo ho aka e wo sansam no emu update enra empenifo e de betu dwa eno no na wo mo kire se operations ahodo mienu ena ekoso e wo saa adwumadie no emu ne di kan no na eye operation Epic Fury eno no nipa 417 eni praye ena overseas operation no so enipa 207 ena wo mo epraye wo mo kire se April buso mene mu na US ni Iran wo mo de wo mo nsa kwahye ntiase apam se wo mbe ma adwebre wa ye adwuma se ntokwa no a wo mo ko no wo mbe ma na brase enso after agreement ne kura still womo da so atoto ma afa ye ho nsem no akwakwa ye pii womo kire mu ese yade bi ye hadwen womo hwe nim se ye kwa anim no womo mu prepra ye ne de ya pe ahye womo kama ye bi kire se wo ebi wo ho no ma womo injuries no na eye very serious pa enti wombe hia mmre ene special attention ne care bi ansa na womo ho atimi ato mo besan ba back ababa ye adwuma biemti no wei eye nsema hodo a enu ekopie ewo internet no so X na Congressman Thomas Massey wode saa information no ekoto ho a yenso yedi bi amama no so na yegina na yede enwume no nsia kase ebo eye hot bite na sha se no num ene fa no yede nyina esi ha amamo Midimafo Herbal Center Dr. Time Daso eno wono ena ediyen enam sara so na Joe's Bread and Pastries a woma kofa Joe's Hot Kinky abe German so no womo asoya sene enkran hade na eye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Kumasa SOMPA 93.1 ye ne affiliate ahodo SOMPA Sunyan FB Techiman FB Enkuranza ena fetakwa womo nyina nso FB uko www.sompaonline.com kasi ya de ba nwumre nyina no ya trotro e di egu horo ma obetimi akọ na wakwa kinkan bi e wo saa kwan no so enwumre yi medin e de ADWOA ASARE mene
trepu e man ejapia APAM DADAA
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new? Se me feel London, echo US. Na no crowd who crowd from me mania. Na papa mo what to say. Awurade aduma habako. Na ko jejesi, echo bosim penemo. Dia woton adanse ho niam no so. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Echo ba, me si wo boduma class na kane no a. Na wo do US wan so man for bondin sa na. Hey papa, US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited agi ba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na ko jejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kesie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. Oh, eye no kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Hey, a kuoba sempre monono. Onye mereda. She, we kura no miensemua ene obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko obu akwase paase kumase. Ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obi ase na na kododesi eye bemaba. E wo dansi mu. Water cement, iron rods, banding wires, and ADWOA plywood and just said about dance roll. To say bibia de share a dance ase de ko wie. De poni nyina so eye tofo bo. Wo du kuka mu a, wo ko ja free. Accra we Kaswa Depo, any pokrasi de Anokra Tonchaya, was our boo Akoteman, Tantra Hill, Iron City, Amanfrum, was a beer depo Kasian so our Koshiman, Kumasi Sapasi de Polokra Danchaya, a Biswa Magazine Road, head office no, were beer depo Kasian so our Dientum, a Joshua Accra Road, from a swat opposite Aladi Celia, and Papa Meboshan. Tanoso, Breman, and Amanfrum. Numbers of man for the Frey 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kojesi Company Limited. Hey, a Kuaba Simple Point Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had you be in says a prostate. Na baby, you multiple screening, Emma Huni, Etuasia, na a endpoint homeopathy clinic. And also a kidney, a liver problem, both baby and Ajjo. Na dear friend, premature ejaculation, there may be a one who do for Quaquisia. As a wood dinner wagro, as a wood tonte. Any a bra endpoint homeopathy clinic. Na yamuao. A man mema mo power. A endpoint homeopathy clinic. Wamuda mufua. Yari bia infections been a war. And Nancy bia wosha wofa baby na Ajjo. Kidney problem, prostate dear. A endpoint homeopathy clinic. Kumase ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic. Ewo kronoma boy here. Emma Accra hanzo so dear. Womujemu ankasa. Ewo spintes zebra friend share signboard no. Who do na ubusasa wope endpoint homeopathy clinic. Obia ebetro. For endpoint ewo 0244 867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint homeopathy clinic.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano ewiye brim and amnensaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
we no butai teacher SOMPA Fair Service ewo ho mahe enye TV program keke eye bra osoro ni asasi hia eye bro nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA Fair Service entwa wo ho hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie fa woda ni na share radensa na erade beye.
Afedia SOMPA no trendy. SOMPA is trending and trending and trending. Trendy pa. Edino kwa pa. Enti ya declare say SOMPA is no more a new station. And new cra. Because we must see and what na bebe ya haja baby atwa go wurem baby cra. Yeah. I said, Haja baby that wag.
Ya boy, ya back SOMPA. Good evening, man. Adaniana, Apostle.
Yo, mi pacho aye wankasa unya berima ba ko pe aye dekin nana bedi ni sufi asiti sana tenen sana
dekin mo anonko
and then you bring so you fa kunya we so you say worship and oil powerful art and then you do mama me papa na go ponye na kasi onye na kasi o shira won so you are na so Kunya we so churi bia na nka mo ho awo Yesu Kristo di mu
Accra ensanwem suhum koforudia enkoko konongo dwaso asankare dadesu breku anyinem kumase ye na yetie mangode
se we hwe vima odi ya sori wo radio so a nyaa na nka be ya branch etise wo sawo afa ye padom no mo eni zila odi je oni je chese hunyina de wakoma no Ewurade adom ye kese wo so amen ono tim nyame mpagya mo amen nyame enya mo kese amen obma adoma ye kura about 35 years double portion nyamo dia amen ama bia mo begina bo Yesu din no amen nyame eni mo nyama ye kese amen nyame nshiraw
ya asma o kan na tuma kuma su asma na o kan na tuma kuma nshiraw ati asma no ala pitch ze uti ya wona sa ni hanu me asama na de ne hope ni me asama o kan na tuma kuma su asama na o kan na tuma kuma nshiraw ati asama no ala pitch ze uti ya wona sa ni hanu Mola na wo de cancel mo ama to we against uti all right Mola na wo de cancel mo ama to we against uti all right
hey watu enkwara eradie adia vaya mamisu inyamye midi wasinako etini matutu na mabo ensamrani tunabaidi amitiasi aya batunkwa eradie adia vaya mamibiasu Minamia, Sidako, Abai, Miriamatutu, Namabo, and Sabrani. If it's on Yami, Miara, Ayawuti, SOMPA.